Hi guys, good morning. Happy Monday.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate.
Having a great Monday. I'm already ready because Emily's coming over and we're gonna film a video. We'll talk about that in a little bit. But this morning I just got up and I was like, oh shoot, I forgot Emily was coming. Don't tell her I said that. We'll see if she watches this video. I forgot Emily was coming, and then so I was like, shoot, I gotta like get shit done. We got a lot of stuff done yesterday, but I didn't clean up my office, and I had just dropped basically all my camera equipment just like on the floor of my office. So I got that cleaned up. I got myself cleaned up. I made myself some coffee, and then Max ended up bringing me Dunkin'. I forgot I asked him last night to do that. Anyway, so I have lots of coffee, which is good because I'm exhausted. I woke up with a headache this morning. Super fun. But I also made myself some avocado toast for breakfast, which was great. And I honestly just brought my coffee and my avocado toast up to my office, sat down at my desk. You know, I talked about this in my vlog yesterday that I was trying not to take my Sundays as like another work day, like trying to actually like just completely detach from my computer. I mean, ideally like maybe detach from my phone, but I don't know when that'll happen. But just like not get on my computer because I don't need to like, my computer like to me signifies like my to-do list, like getting shit done, like whatever. And I thought it would just make me more anxious to know yesterday everything I need to do and like see it all in one place compared to just being like, I know this week's gonna be busy, but I'm just gonna enjoy my Sunday and like actually relax and feel like refreshed going into Monday. And other than this headache, I do feel refreshed coming into this Sunday, or coming into this Monday, excuse me. So anyway, I ended up sitting at my computer and I did make that big long to-do list. It was like 7:30, 7:45 or whatever. And it was great because it honestly, I think it almost made me less stressed because I was like, okay, I can do this. This is manageable. I have a lot of stuff that I want to get done today, but it's not reasonable to think I'm gonna get it all done. So I am just gonna do my best to get the stuff that needs to happen done today. And there's tons of stuff that will happen later this week. And it's really no big deal. So anyway, that's the plan for today. Emily's gonna come over in a little bit. So I'm gonna start getting a few little things done. I got some emails done this morning, whatever. But I'll tell you guys a little bit more about the video we're filming in a second. Okay, I'm with Emily. We're filming a reel. I'll put the reels in my vlog actually because then I can just show all the things. But we're filming reels for her Instagram of maternity clothes.
Yeah, just for fun.
Just for funsies.
A little project.
A lot of the stuff that you're wearing actually is plus size. Is available in plus size.
Yeah.
At least some of it.
These Spanx leggings are incredible.
Yeah, I actually asked for these for Christmas.
They are like, but
they're the Spanx, just black leggings. I have the faux leather ones and I love them. I made her get the faux leather ones too. Are these the maternity ones though?
yes.
Okay, I don't think mine will go quite up to my bra, but
You don't want to tuck them in? It makes them warm. You can also kind of roll them.
you
like,
might as well
fold them down.
have the like those unitard things people wear all the time, where it's like
Right,
all,
I
like
think
the
should
straps.
that would honestly be helpful to just like
Just
keep the
that
whole thing
shit
up. Yeah, I roll them down for now, but we will graduate.
No, but they're nice because they're like super thick.
They're very
Like you can really wear them as pants, and they actually have a bit of a like. I don't know if you can see this, but like
texture.
a bit of a. Yeah, you can kind of tell.
And like a little bit of like a line down the side.
Yeah, a little bit of
Makes it
texture.
feel a little more
Pant-like.
like real pants.
Yeah. All right, let's do the last one.
Okay.
Got the whole setup here. This is how I film reels. Emily's just doing the same thing. We're already done this outfit.
It just tells me what to do. I know. Do you want to do the formal ones?
Yeah, yeah.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain is pouring.
Okay, guys, good news. I convinced Emily to clean out my linen closet for me. Wait,
She's been whining.
I've been whining about my linen closet because I didn't want to do it, and now I'm just gonna have Emily do it.
I'm like, oh my god, I have to clean out my linen closet. Look at this thing. It's like 1 square foot.
It's very little.
It's teeny.
No, I mean I knew it wasn't that big of a job, but I didn't want to.
Behind me, this will take
Well, I'm just gonna let it record.
Less than 15 minutes.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna set you guys up on a tripod.
No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family.
Ready?
Yes, for my new and improved linen closet. Wow.
And how long, what did that take? 10 minutes?
Yeah, probably.
Okay, so this is like travel and COVID test.
At home COVID test.
Extras. This is like bandages and Neosporin, that type of thing. This is like pain medicine and all
Vitamins.
sort of medicine, but this is the sinus
We have a lot of
section
sinus section.
for all of Max's allergies.
Yes.
This is all sinus related. This is, you have a very large poison ivy
Yes,
section,
we had a poison ivy outbreak last summer.
which I appreciate. This is nails,
Yeah?
steamer and linens.
Oh my god, look at that! Wow, this is so much better than doing it myself.
Just grab it.
Yeah, I like these bins a lot. I'll link these on Amazon. They're smaller than I thought they were gonna be, but they're actually perfect for linen and stuff. And this closet that doesn't go back that far. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, I mean, you could like fit more of them, but then you wouldn't be able to pull them out.
Yeah, no.
And it gets really deep, so I
don't
think you
need
should
any.
Stick to them being like this.
Yeah. No, and if I needed to, I could put, like when we redo our bathroom.
Yeah.
I might have to put some towels or something in here, but.
Ta-da!
Thank you. It's perfect.
I feel so accomplished.
You can come back tomorrow. We got more. I'm doing something that I literally never like actually make happen, which is when I don't work out in the morning, or I mean, I don't even say workout. Workout is like too much of a word for what I'm talking about. But when I don't like move my body in any way in the morning, I'm always like, oh, I'll do it tonight or like this afternoon. But then I never actually do it because it gets dark, early, it's cold, it's whatever, and I end up working too late. But today, I'm really in the mood to go for a walk. So I have like podcasts to listen to and stuff like that. So I just stopped working, changed my clothes, put on some like sweats basically, and I'm gonna go take like a 30-minute walk, get outside, get some fresh air. I just always know I like feel better, I sleep better, and I can come back and finish my work when it's dark out. Like it doesn't matter. I'm finishing the Vlogmas episode. Emily ended up staying here like most of the day, well, until like 2. But she did clean up my linen closet, so that's pretty sweet. But yeah, so I wanna go outside, and even though I still have work to do, I normally just like sit at my desk and just like don't wanna leave until I'm done my work, but like it won't be light out and I can't go for a walk in the dark, or don't want to. So yeah, I'm gonna go put my shoes on and I'm gonna get my AirPods and head outside. All right, I'm home from my walk and I just went and finished up my work, and now it's like 5:40 and I'm gonna make dinner. I'm making French onion soup tonight because I have a bunch of onions that I need to do. Oh, they're right here, actually. A bunch of onions I need to do something with because I accidentally bought a double bag of them one time. But Half Baked Harvest actually has this recipe that's a like instant pot French onion soup. So it's supposed to only take like 40 minutes, which is pretty good because French onion soup takes a long time normally. So that's great because I'm starting this later than I wanted to. But yeah, so I'm gonna get started on making this first. The thing that'll take the longest, I need to chop up all the onions. It only calls for like 5 or 6 onions, but mine are kind of small. So I think I'm gonna use some more. Also, I just want to use them up if I can.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got
so cozy down here. We literally always eat our dinner sitting on the couch, which this is probably a dangerous dinner to eat on the couch, but this looks so yummy. Our dinner was so good. That French onion soup is delicious. It's the half-baked harvest one. I'm pretty sure it's online, so if it is, I'll link it down below, but it was so yummy. I ended up using just sourdough bread because that's all I had, and I just toasted it in the toaster oven and then put it on top of the soup. It was really good and very flavorful, and actually not that long. I mean, it's a longer dinner than I usually do. I'm really like a 30-minute dinner kind of girl, but it's probably like 45 minutes, 50 minutes, but it was good. And I know French onion soup takes a while. My hair looks so bad, but actually I'm very excited because tomorrow I'm getting my hair done. I'm getting it highlighted. We'll see what I decide to do. I'll probably talk about this tomorrow, but I can't decide whether I want to add, I think I might add some lowlights. I kind of feel like it's been like streaky feeling. I don't know. I kind of want it to be like more all over color. We'll see. The other thing I want to talk to you guys about, which I debated talking about this because I don't know, I feel like it gets kind of a weird vibe, and I kind of get that, but I actually ordered on Cyber Monday Equilibria, which a ton of influencers talk about, and I was just like interested to try it because I've never tried CBD. I'm not a weed person, but I wanted to try CBD and see what I thought of it. I've only taken it for a couple days, but I want to kind of record my process with it like over, you know, the next couple months just to see. But it's been a few days and I feel like I am a smidge more relaxed. Like, I appreciate that it's not a very drastic difference. They have daily drops, soft gels, and then I have like the rapid calming melts, which I've only tried one of. But yeah, they say you have to use it for like 5 to 7 days to notice much of a difference. So we'll see how, I think this is like my third or fourth day doing it or using it. I do daily drops at night and then I do a soft gel in the morning. But I definitely feel like it kind of takes like a little bit of the edge off the day. I don't know. Like, I don't want to be, I'm like kind of weird about medication just in general, but I don't know. I was just kind of interested to try it and see how I felt. And I kind of like it. So far, we'll see. I'm not like committed to that at all. But I'm interested to see how it goes. I will say that I did not know this, but these daily drops, they do not taste like this is mint flavored. It's not bad, not that bad, but it's not great. Also, I realized there's like, the lights are making it flicker, but they smell and taste kind of weird. Like there's like a mint overtaste, like they're probably put mint in to like mask the flavor, but it's kind of weird. So just so you know, like I expected these to be like mouthwash style minty. Definitely tastes a little funky, but it's not like overpowering enough that I don't like that I mind, but just FYI, because I just assumed the flavors, because there's like a few other options, were like that's like what they tasted like. It's not really like that. But anyway, I'm going to read for a little bit and then go to sleep. I've been so tired this evening. I feel like, I don't know, maybe that's because I've been relaxed. I'm not sure, but I will talk to you guys tomorrow for another vlog. So be sure to subscribe if you haven't. Bye, friends.
Last year I thought about